Hello, welcome to the 51st tutorial in the Cocos2d-JS version 3 series. In this part we're going to be detecting when the user has pressed a keyboard key. We'll be using the source code from the 50th tutorial. If you don't have it, don't worry, there'll be a link in the description. Cocos2d-JS provides us with all the desired functionality for keyboard recognition in the form of events. We will take a look at detecting when the user has pressed a key on the keyboard. Bear in mind, you will obviously need a device that supports the keyboard, so pretty much all mobile devices are out of the question, but for mobile devices you can use touch, which we covered earlier in this series. So let's open up our app.js, which contains our current layer, and that's where we'll be coding the keyboard key pressed code. So what we're going to do, below where we set the event listener, we're going to create a function called onKeyPressed, and you guessed it, this detects when a key has been pressed, so function. And for this we're going to put key event curly braces, and in here we're simply just going to do a cc.log. Then we're going to do key pressed colon plus key.toString. Save it, and now what we're going to do is obviously just run it because we are all done. So if we just open up our web browser, but first of all we need to open up terminal, change to our project directory, run the project, so Cocos run-p, then whatever platform you want to run it on. I'm just doing it on the web. Okay, so if we right click, inspect element, we just get rid of this, go to console, and if we just click a key, I click the mouse, a key, so I'm going to click A, it says 65, B will say 66, 67, 68, 69, and if I click Z it says 90. You might be thinking, where are these values from? Are these values just random values that Cocos2d has just picked and implemented into Cocos2d-JS? No, they are not. If we go to Google and just type in ASCII, not connected to the internet, just bear with me, let me just connect to the internet. Just disconnected my phone, which is what I use to tether the internet from. So if I yeah, there we go. We go on ASCII. You don't really need to know much about ASCII, so if we just go to the ASCII table, we go to the letter A, we see the decimal value is 65. If we go to the letter Z, the decimal value is 90. It basically uses ASCII. It's as simple as that. So, little task for you to do: look into detecting certain keys using an if statement. Also look into the other functions offered by event other than just I was thinking of previous tutorial, ignore that, but still do the task regarding detecting certain keys using an if statement instead of just printing out every key that is pressed. So maybe if you do if key to string equals something something, then say this particular key had been pressed, or move player left, for example. More information can be found on the Cocos2d-JS API guide. We are now able to detect when a keyboard key has been pressed. In the next tutorial, we will cover detecting when a keyboard key has been released. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystems.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or just directly message us via YouTube. All the required links for source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.